Right, let's do this. So this will be the first episode of this little vlog. What we're trying to do in this vlog is to uncover what it takes to actually build a proper community. So where to start? Our conclusion was very simple. We start with who do we want to be part of this community? To decide on what type of person we wanted to attract. That's where it all really started. The real thing we wanted to attract was action takers. People need that push. They need that little push to actually start taking action. I think we've had our time of reflection. Now it's time to actually do things. That's what's at the heart of the community we want to build, right? Action takers. People that have that sense of I want to, but I don't know how. Second part is to make it an actual select community. I think there's too many groups out there who call themselves a community. And this seems to be some sort of myth. Like a group of people, a collection of people is not a community. A community is about reciprocity. A community is about feeling that you go there for a purpose, for a reason, and a sense of safety, a sense of belonging, a sense of trust. That should be at the heart of any community. So these are all the elements that we wanted to, which meant that we can't just let anyone into this community, right? It needs to be select. It needs to be a select group of people who fit our criteria. In this case, action taking. But just action taking isn't enough. We as a company, we stand for something, right? We want to help people get into careers where they feel alive, where maybe they start an entrepreneurial journey, where they start a side hustle. So just action taker might not be enough. How do we define who we want to actually attract? And the truth is, we came to this very quickly. It's impact and it's growth. Growth as a human being, right? Growth of who do I want to become? Who's my future self and how am I going to work towards that? And the impact. And that's also where meaning exists, right? Having an impact on the people around you. Like our identities don't exist in isolation. They're in relationship to other people. And we want to impact those lives. So that's where we ended up. A select community of action takers around growth and impact. So that was our first learning. Next week, and on what platform do we want to bring them together? See you there.